In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove Microsoft account from Windows 11. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now to get started, go to your taskbar at the bottom, then click on search, then search for settings, then open settings, then go to accounts, then your info. So it will land you here, you'll be able to see your info. So in order to remove this Microsoft account from Windows 11, you will need to click on this link, sign in with a local account instead. Click on it, then click on next, then enter your Windows PIN or your Windows password. Then here, as you can see, enter your local account info. So you are going to enter your account info, then you can enter new password and confirm password, then hint. So I'm going to do so. Then confirm password, then hint, then click on next. So once you are here, you are going to switch to a local account. So you are going to click on sign out and finish. So the moment you will click on sign out and finish, your Microsoft account will be removed from Windows 11. So that's simply it, guys. That's how to remove Microsoft account from Windows 11. I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.